welcome to another video that I wanted to show something which is very informative about VSCode. If you are familiar with Python programming, actually I know you know about VSCode. So without wasting much of time, our talk today is about integrating VSCode with MATLAB. Assuming you don't have MATLAB installed in your computer, and there are some MATLAB codes that you want to edit, work with, and do something. Well, this is a very nice or good news, especially to those that don't have MATLAB MATLAB license, for example. So if you go to your visualcode.com, the website, this is just VSCode website, code.visualstudy.com. Then you can see these three horizontal lines. Press it, or if you click on it, you will see some terms here. So you can go to extension here, for example. Now these are all extensions that you can be able to use using your Visual Code or VSCode app. You know, VSCode is just an app for coding, of course. So, and it supports many programming language, such as popular Python. So now, but you can search for code extension here, VSCode code extension here. Assuming that I'm searching for MATLAB, I'll just search MATLAB here. Okay, now you see all the extensions that are integrated in VSCode for MATLAB are here. Especially the first one is the official one, is the guarantee one. This is unofficial, and there are some other extension, but the most important one is this one, which is the latest one, and is also the one that they use to integrate VSCode, or to integrate MATLAB in VSCode. So now you see this is an extension for VSCode. They said this extension provides support for editing, running, debugging MATLAB code in VSCode. And you can use the extension with or without MATLAB installed in your computer or in your system. For example, you cannot use it for this extension for MATLAB that are less than MATLAB R2021A, the version, but you can use it for R2021B or later. So you can install this extension within the Visual Studio Code and use it. So this is just how you can use it using the Visual Code. You can, if you go to the, or if you visit this website, you can be able to learn about this. But my main concern in this video is to show you how you can integrate it. Now, assuming this is your Visual Code, as you can see the VSCode app, then you move to this where extension are. This is a symbol of extension in the VSCode. You just press extension. As you know, I have even search for MATLAB, but let me assuming that I just go to this extension tab. I press on it. So these are the extension that you can use for it. But let me search MATLAB. So this is MATLAB, the first one, which is the official one. So you can just press on it and install it. Yes, you can just install it. You see. So do you trust it? Yeah, you trust, because this is outside something outside the VSCode, but it's official one. So it's already installed. So you can be able to use it in your VSCode to edit, run, and debug your MATLAB code in the VSCode. If you want to see more, or if you want to learn how to use it, that is how to even run and edit your MATLAB code, you can visit this website and then take a look of this, how to get started, to see how you can be able to write the code using your MATLAB code using VSCode. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.